Alright guys, we're heading out to Harley-Davidson and College Station. It's not a riding video today, but we're heading out because everyone's favorite redneck, Pooh Bear, built up a little mini pit bike. It's like really tiny but terrifying. I'm not gonna ride the thing, but he's entered into a race today. We got the Lady Nemo with us.
Hi.
And then, so yeah, we're not muffled in helmets today. So it's a different kind of video. But yeah, College Station, Texas. We thought it was gonna be like, well, I thought it was gonna be an hour and 40-minute drive, but turns out, no, it's almost 3 hours.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. You got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Got him on the straight.
Well, I caught him cutting his corner a little bit,
Yeah.
and what was funny was I walked over that corner and then he didn't cut it no more. But he wasn't cutting it much. I was just like, yeah, you ain't gonna
That's
bring
kind of
it.
why I like the hay bales, because people don't cut the hay bales.
Well, and we could have used
They run over the cones, they ain't gonna run over the hay bale.
Well, and I could have used the big orange covers on the inside on the turn. That's probably what I'll do next time.
So needless to say, we kind of got there at the end of things. So what little of the event that we got is going to be in the video. And then there's a lot of dust. Yeah. I feel all dusty. Yeah, it was, all in all, it was a pretty fun day.